It's motivation. It's a reflection upon what obviously our peers think about us, and they think that we are the second to worst team in the league. I disagree with it, but at the same time, it's not just one person who picked it. It's more than one. So there is a consensus that we are not near the top of the league, and it's on us to change that attitude and work like heck to get us a home PSAC tournament game.
You've talked about the fact 6 seniors on the roster. What does that mean to you as a first-year coach coming in and having that type of experience?
It's been very, very comforting for me because I recruited these guys. I was around through the process. I've known them for years, not just showing up this fall. So they know what to expect of me. They know what to expect of Edinboro, and it's been good, and they've been eager. There's been an energy level that has really helped us out, and we just need to make sure that we keep building every day.
You got about 2 weeks before you open up the season, really less than that, before your first game as head coach at Edinboro. What do you look to accomplish over those next 2 weeks?
We got to get better. As I tell the guys, no days off. Even on our days off from practice, you got to be taking care of yourself, resting out your body up, getting ready. Basketball season, if we do things right, goes until mid to late March. I mean, right now, it's end of October. We have a long time ahead of us. We need to make sure that the guys are getting better daily. We can't settle for anything. We can't lower our expectations. We need to keep fighting, keep working, keep grinding, and make sure that we put ourselves in position to host the PSAC game.